Lei Paranillo, Miss Pia Juan. The red Filipiniana with silver finish is a breathtaking masterpiece that carries tradition in opulence. Rendered in rich crimson fabric, often piña silk, the gown commands attention with its classic butterfly sleeves, sculpted to perfection. The deep red base is beautifully contrasted by the intricate silver timber adorning the body. Sleeves and sometimes trailing delicately down the skirt. These silver beads form geometric or traditional ethnic patterns, shimmer like stardust under the light, giving ensemble a regal, almost celestial aura. Every bead is a testament to craftsmanship, making the gown not just a fashion statement, but a celebration of cultural artistry. The red and silver tones symbolize strength, love, and cultural pride. Wearing this Filipiniana is a radiant expression of identity and elegance. Designer, Princess Maldos. Once again, Miss Pia Juan, Sia Lei Paranillo, representing Studio 16. Miss Pia 2, Cyril Joy Damiani. The lavender hues reflect hope and prosperity, while the sparkling details represent growth and abundance. Inspired by violence and the strength of rural women, the gown bridges elegance with symbolism. It stands as a tribute to the transformative power of harvest and the dignity of labor. With each step, the gown tells Moncada's history of humble roots, collective pride, and a future full of promise. Designer, Ron Villegas. Once again, Miss Pia 3, representing Paradise Cleaners Incorporated, Ruby Angaloria. The champagne intricate hand-beaded detailing adorned with thousands of shimmering crystals that catch the light in every movement. Perfect for formal occasions, these gown not only enhances your silhouette, but ensures you stand out in any dress, exuding elegance and sophistication. Make a statement and embrace luxury with this unforgettable piece. Designer Pat Guerrera. Breathtaking gown is a epitome of glamour and sophistication. Crafted with the utmost attention to detail, the intricate beadwork catches the light with every step, creating a mesmerizing effect that draws all eyes. This stunning creation by Pat Guerrera ensures you look and feel your absolute best. Designer Pat Guerrera. Of Filipino culture and beauty, making it a popular choice for beauty methods and cultural events where tradition meets modern elegance. The pink Filipiniana gown in pageantry symbolizes Filipino culture, elegance, and femininity, representing national pride and heritage while showcasing beauty, poise, and sophistication on stage. Designer Shantina Bagnasay. Once again, Miss PM6, Jasmine of Hasmalan Foundation. And now, Miss PM7, Leon Grace Montalvo. The Golden Blue, a modern Filipiniana radiating floral majesty. A luminous ode to femininity and heritage. This modern Filipiniana costume draws inspiration from the timeless elegance of modern flowers, symbols of beauty, grace, and quiet strength, reinventing the traditional terno with contemporary sophistication. The ensemble blooms with gilded artistry, capturing the essence of a Filipiniana or a Filipina in full flourish. This is not just a costume, it's a celebration of heritage reimagined, where each golden flower tells a story of pride, resilience, and blossoming identity. Designer Oscar Hulba. representing MP Grande Salon and Spa, Miss PM7, Lian Grace Montalvo. Miss PM8, Jenny Rose Neri. This gown, with its intricate wallpaper and flowing design, beautifully mirrors the patterns of rice fields and the rich color of Annie, our harvest. The golden tones symbolize the food we place on our tables, truly as valuable as gold. Just as every bead is carefully sewn, our farmers work tirelessly, grain by grain. This gown is more than a fashion statement. It is a tribute to agriculture and to the hard-working farmers who turn soil into gold for every Filipino home. Designer, Ryan Lara. Miss PM8, representing Love Bayan Cafe, Jenny Rose Neri. Miss PM9, Ashley Tukilan. This three-tassel Filipiniana gown features a classic floral silhouette embellished with crystals and Swarovski elements. It symbolizes Filipino heritage and pride. Green represents growth, renewal, and balance, reminding us to preserve our natural resources for future generations. Designer, Ron Villegas. Representing Pharma Agri Trading, Ashley Tukilan. Miss PM10, Lina Alexa Lopez. This modern Filipiniana gown is a striking fusion of tradition and elegance. Crafted in vibrant golden yellow and deep black, the golden color symbolizes royalty, resilience, and Filipino spirit's radiance, mirroring the bright petals of the Wali Wali, known as the Queen of Philippine Orchids. The black sequin fabric represents depth, mystery, and grace, much like the flower's rare beauty. The asymmetric cut and structured drapes lend a contemporary flair, while echoing the Wali Wali's natural glow. The beadwork and sequins embellish the bodies in leaf-like patterns, reflecting the orchid's strength and cultural pride, blooming with same dignity and allure as the river Wali Wali. Designer Shah Galietes. Miss PM10 representing T-Rex Fitness Team, Lena Lumige. Miss PM11, Hermine Micaela Aguilar. This yellow Filipiniana dress symbolizes ease, adorned with crystals to enhance its beauty. It features soft fabrics, arranged in linear patterns that create the illusion of height. The design aims to highlight elegance and diversity of the Filipina, incorporating various types of beads to reflect her multifaceted identity. Designer Valerie Ramos. Representing Supreme School of Culinary Arts and Technology Incorporated, Miss PM11, Hermine Micaela Aguilar. Miss PM12, Beatrice Dulay. Designer Freda Gavassi. Once again, Miss PM12, Beatrice Dulay, representing Choma Vibes Samyuksat. Miss PM13, Juliet Kaibigan. Inspired by Mocana's heritage and art, is a tribute to Filipino craftsmanship, woven with sheer tool, silver sequins, and radiant crystals. It echoes the modern fields and the hard-working spirit of our people. Its white feathered train flows like the Mocana breeze, light, free, and full of promise. But what truly brings this out to life is the woman who wears it. This is more than beauty, it is identity. A celebration of strength, artistry, and the enduring spirit of the Filipina rising from Mocana. Designer, Sander Yu. Miss PM13, Juliet Kaibigan, representing SNS Moncada Supermarket. Miss Pia Martin, May Anyango. Contemporary touch, enhancing the wearer's silhouette. Designer Giovanni Denzel. Miss Pia Martin representing Alden Baby Travel Services, May Anyango. Once again, representing Alden Baby Travel Services, Miss Pia Martin, May Anyango. Miss Pia 15, Cameron J. Magani. Blending timeless tradition with modern sophistication. Crafted in the deep royal blue hue, this lower leg gown features the iconic butterfly steeds that symbolize classic Filipino heritage. The fitted bodice flows gracefully into a sleek skirt, highlighted by a tasteful side slit that adds a modern touch and ease of movement. With clean lines and minimal embellishments, these gowns exude understated elegance, perfect for formal occasions that honor both cultural and style. Designer Giovanni Denzel.